Hello children, welcome to Learner's Planet. Children, in this session we will learn about the wild animals. We'll take a few very common examples about whom we talk in our day-to-day life. Okay? And we'll learn a lot about them. Okay? So let us start learning. Wild animals. The animals which stay in the forests, jungles, grasslands, or huge open areas and which cannot be tamed or trained are called wild animals. Some of these animals are harmful for other animals while some are not. Some animals they eat flesh of other animals. That's why they are harmful for the other animals. But not all eat flesh of other animals. We'll take a look even more in detail over here. Types of wild animals on the basis of eating habits. Herbivores eat only plant food. Carnivorous eat flesh of other animals. Omnivorous eat both animal and plant food. So over here, herbivorous animals, they are not harmful for other animals, whereas carnivorous and omnivorous animals are. So the first animal we have here is tiger. This over here is the pronunciation of tiger. Okay? So, tiger. It has dark vertical stripes on reddish orange fur. So over here is the fur and here it has dark stripes. Every tiger has a different pattern of stripes on its body. Over here all these three cubs and this mother tiger, they will all have different stripe pattern on their body. A male tiger is known as a tiger. A female tiger is known as tigress. A baby tiger is known as a cub. A group of tigers is known as a streak. It is a carnivorous animal. That means tiger eats only flesh of other animals. So the next animal that we have over here is lion. It is the tallest wild cat. The male lion has a mane around its face. Over here and here, what you see around its face is known as the mane. A male lion is known as a lion. A female lion is called a lioness. A lioness doesn't have any mane, but they are the ones that hunt. A baby lion is called a cub. A group of lions is called a pride. It is a carnivorous animal. The third animal is bear. It has a powerful upper body for climbing trees. It uses its claws for climbing and digging. Male bear is called a boar. Female bear is called a sow. A baby bear is called a cub. A group of bear is called a sleuth. It is an omnivorous animal. That means it eats both plant food and animal food. Elephant. It is the largest land mammal. A male elephant has 2 tusks, but a female has none. Over here you can see these teeth-like structures that come outside the mouth are known as tusks. Over here these both are females as they don't have any tusk, and these both are males. Okay? A male elephant is called a bull. A female elephant is called a cow. A baby elephant is called a calf. A group of elephants is called a parade. It is a herbivorous animal. That means that it only eats plant food. Next we have giraffe. It is the tallest mammal on the earth. It has a very long neck and many spots on its bodies. A male giraffe is known as a bull. A female giraffe is known as a cow. A baby giraffe is known as a calf. A group of giraffes is known as a tower. It is a herbivorous animal. Zebra. It looks like a horse but has black and white stripes on its body. Each zebra has a different pattern of stripes. A male zebra is called a stallion. A female zebra is called a mare. A baby zebra is called a foal. A group of zebras is called zeal. It is a herbivorous animal. Rhinoceros or rhino. It is commonly known as rhino. It is famous for the horn or horns that it has on its face. A male rhino is called a bull. A female rhino is called a cow. A baby rhino is called a calf. A group of rhinos is called a crash. It is a herbivorous animal. Hippopotamus or hippo. It has a huge body which stands on small legs. It usually stays inside the water. A male hippo is called a bull. A female hippo is called a cow. A baby hippo is called a calf. A group of hippos is called a pod. It is a herbivorous animal. Panda. They look like bears but are smaller in size. Their body is covered with black and white fur. Male pandas are called boars. Female panda are called sows. A baby panda is called a cub. Pandas usually live alone rather than in a group. It is a herbivorous animal. Koala. It has a soft wool-like fur which is mostly gray. They carry their babies in a pouch for 5 to 7 months after birth. They do this because the baby that is born is very weak and it cannot walk on its own. So the mothers have a pouch near their stomach where the baby stays. A male koala is called a buck. A female koala is called a doe. A baby koala is called a joey. Koalas don't as such move in a group. They are independent. It is a herbivorous animal. Gorilla. It is the largest living primate. It has broad chest and shoulders. A male gorilla is called a silverback. A female gorilla is called a blackback. A baby gorilla is called an infant. A group of gorillas is called a band. It is a herbivorous animal. Cheetah. It is the fastest animal on land. It is a large spotted wild cat. A male cheetah is called a male. A female cheetah is called a female. A baby cheetah is called a cub. A group of cheetah is called a coalition. It is a carnivorous animal. Kangaroo. It is the largest marsupial animal. It has powerful hind limbs and short, thumbless forelimbs. These are the hind limbs and these are the forelimbs. A male kangaroo is called a buck. A female kangaroo is called a doe. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. A joey, as it's similar as the koalas. When the baby kangaroo is small, for 5 to 7 months, it stays in the mother's pouch. Over here, this joey is inside the mother's pouch. So till the time it's not strong and cannot walk on its own, it stays with the mother. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. It is a herbivorous animal. Next we have deer. It has branched bony antlers. Over here, these are the antlers. Some deers have spots on their body. A male deer is called a buck. A female deer is called a doe. A baby deer is called a fawn. A group of deers is called a herd. It is a herbivorous animal. Thank you, children, for watching this session. I hope now you know about the most common wild animals, about those wild animals that we talked about today. So if you have any further doubts, you can again watch this session. Okay, so I'll see you next time in the next session, which will be based on domestic animals. Okay, bye.